last few days, our bakers have dominated all aspects of Cookie Week, from their signature creations to the technical, and finally to this, the showstopper.
Today, our amateur bakers will tackle everyone's favorite hungry video game friend, Kirby Macaroons. At the end, our judges, Paul Hollywood and Mary Berry, will tell us who is today's star baker.
Good luck and good bake!
Fuck you.
Solid look. I thought you were gonna get higher.
Is this good?
That's better.
Awesome.
Alright, what's up you guys? It's your resident extraterrestrial, and I am here today with my best friend, Bella. Today we are, hello?
It's preheated!
Yay!
And you've done nothing.
Shut your fucking
We're
mouth.
prepared. Look at this. You think a depressed person can do this?
And yet here we are. I found the cutest picture on Twitter of these little Kirby and Jigglypuff macaroons. And I was like, I want to make those. And I was like, Bella, you know how to bake very well.
And I drove 2 hours to get here.
Yeah, let's make them. Rosanna Pansino actually made these little Kirby macaroons, so I'm kind of following her recipe on what to do here. But yeah, we're just gonna fucking wing it.
I love
From
that.
my memory of watching this video.
I even watched the video and you didn't write down the recipe, so let's party!
First things first, we have to put together the dry ingredients. So,
It was confectionery sugar.
it was the confectionery sugar and the almond flour, which I just recently purchased at Trader Joe's.
Thank you, Trader Joe's. Do you think almond flour tastes...
Like almonds? Yes.
Yeah, I'm allowed to ask dumb questions.
Confectionery sugar. Flour. Yeah. God, I'm sweating so bad right now. Okay, that's kind of like one
That's a
cup.
cup.
That's fine. So now we need this thing to sort of whisk it all together.
Nice.
That lovely skin.
Delicioso.
You guys really should have printed out the directions to this.
Why? I'm doing great right now.
She's not, but it's whatever.
Well, I'm whisking it. Right?
You've been whisking it for like 3 minutes, I think because you hit a mental block on what you have to do next.
No, I was just distracted. Now we do the wet ingredients.
Well, that's some show.
Delicious. All right, I'm gonna get the mixer ready. Okay, how does this
I'm getting to see your fruit.
work? Okay, so we're gonna whisk these little bitches.
Nice.
Now, does it taste good though?
No, it's egg whites and sugar.
That sounds delicious.
I love eggs too much.
I love eggs.
Anyways, what's next, love?
So then we put the dry ingredients into the meringue and we fold it. All right, who wants to fold and who wants to pour?
What do you prefer? It's your house, man.
Yeah, but you're my guest.
I'm pour.
Okay. So we do like a third of it and then,
We do whatever God tells us is right.
yes, you got to know when to hold them. Know when to run away.
You didn't even say the word fold them. You skipped that part of the song.
Got to know when to hold them. Know when to fold them. Know when to walk away.
Yeah, I know.
Do it.
Is that song copyrighted? We should stop. Nice. I don't actually. No, I changed my mind. Okay.
You want me to pour?
You want to switch?
Yeah.
Boom.
Should I do the rest of it, or
Yeah, just dump it on.
how are you feeling about this mixture here?
It's thick.
Is that good?
I don't know. I've never made macaroons.
So the next step after we've mixed everything is to put in some food coloring because these are supposed to look like Kirby. Look at that shit! Look at it! Isn't that so good?
Sing your last sensation. Every little she takes.
Every move I make in you.
You are my way, Jesus. Every move I make in you.
Woo!
We're from Connecticut.
No, we're cutting that out. Okay, so we got these little frosting bags.
I'm like a two Miss trays. This one's you. This is 'cause the height.
Is it because I'm dusty as hell?
It's because of the height.
So now we gotta pour this into the bag. All right, let's pour this little bitch.
No! Okay. You're doing great, honey. It's like a big, gross tongue.
Even though you're right.
Oh no. Oh no, stop. We made a mistake! Oh my god, I just remembered a tip my mom gave me.
Oh, yes. Rosanna Pansino also did this. We are dumb fucks.
Love has something mean. How can it be? Na 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 na.
So, next thing what we do is we got, like, basically...
Hit it with Pam. These are nice bags, though.
They are good. I just can't cut.
We could saw through them with a knife. That'd be ratchet, but we could do it.
That's very nice.
You got it! Cut.
Almost there. Almost there.
Yes!
Yeah,
That is a
bitches!
wild. Okay, that's fine. Here you go. You wanna make a little? Okay. You do it.
Okay.
Oh god.
Oh, David!
That's okay, small. That's your choice. I believe these are all very different sizes.
I know. I don't know why that one's so big.
Okay. You confuse me from an intrinsic level that I'm yet to discuss with myself.
What do you mean?
None of these are round. That's pretty cool. We don't body shame.
Well, you know
here.
Kirby's like large though, so it's fine. He gets bigger and bigger as he goes on.
But he stays circular! Oh god, Emily, this is...
It's a good time.
This is what happens when you don't really have the recipe.
Oh, I looked it up. That's what she said in the video. That's what she did in the video.
You didn't write it down!
I was looking at it. I think it's good.
I gotta go home. I can't do this anymore. I'm sorry. I can't.
But Mom.
Bye!
Mom.
Bye!
They've all melded together.
We can still cut the macaroons, right? Into circular.
Not really, but whatever.
Now we're gonna put this in the oven for 20 minutes at 300 degrees, and we're gonna see how this turns out. I think it's gonna go well. Let's go, Kirby. So now we're gonna do raspberry buttercream. All right, so I believe we do a stick of butter. I'm gonna clean these off because we need these to mix the butter. All right, time to go.
Well,
I'm a professor of science. Litty titty.
You
All
ready?
right. Now we gotta mash these little bitches.
I chose the ones that weren't disgusting.
Put them in. Now we're gonna mash them. Yes.
It's for lime, but really what's a raspberry with a small sweet lime? I think we should just hit it, like punch them.
You think?
Just punch them. Nice. Yeah. Yes. What's fun is none of the juice is going in there.
Yeah. I don't really get that.
I love this. Me driving 5 hours? Great. Me paying in a parking garage that was overcharged? Great. Me needing to move my car in like an hour? Awesome. Just put the seeds in.
Yeah, I'll just put this.
We already have horrible macaroons.
All right. I'm gonna scoop them.
Oh my god, you got it? My hands are greasy and small.
You want some
I'm
help?
like a mouse in a city. Ratatouille out here. You wanna have more raspberries?
No, I think we're good. What is that? Oh, I'm not gonna lie, this looks kind of gross. Probably because of the seeds.
It's the seeds. Yeah, it's solid.
Ain't all?
Yeah.
Let me take a little tip. That's
The
a
seeds really just had a crunch to it. You wouldn't get otherwise.
I know you're right. So now we just gotta wait for the cookies to be done in the oven. So we'll be back after this. Commercial break.
These are so gross.
So off camera, I put the buttercream into one of these bags right here, and now we are just waiting for the cookies to be done.
Mmm.
They're ready.
We should get them out.
Yeah. Oh my god! In the arms of an angel.
No, this is incredible. A couple things we did wrong. Somebody didn't put salt in them. I'm not gonna say who.
It was me.
It's hot in here, so they spread out. And also they were too close together. And also probably a little too big.
Hey, but the edges kind of look like.
Macaroons, yeah.
You can lie to us, it's chill.
No, but the edges do look like macaroons. They're just very large.
So we got a fat Kirby. Do we body shame now?
Yeah, no, we don't. I'm just trying to think of a plan of action.
Oh, they need a cool.
Cool. Yeah, I guess we just wait for that to cool. Although I don't know how they're gonna cool in here because it's so fucking hot.
You.
You wanna put it in the fridge?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Woo! Here they go. Here they go into the wild blue yonder.
Perfect. We did it.
We did it. We did it. Yeah. Woo!
I've never seen buttercream with so many seeds in it.
Well,
It's British. It's British buttercream.
Mm-hmm.
I can't help it if you're uncultured. I can't help it if you've never left the United States.
Yeah, David, have you ever seen the British Burger?
Wait, you were born outside of the United States and I heard you crap my statement. Somebody in this house is born in Cuba.
And it's not me, said the white girl.
Take a good shot of that. Woo! Take a fucking sip, babe.
This is me on a good day.
Oh no.
I don't know what to do. Just peel them.
You're too delicate. This is probably why we needed parchment paper.
Probably.
Remember when yesterday when I gave David some cookies and there were some smashed up ones? We just took them and made a ball of cookie.
Yeah. Oh, you know what we should do? We should put the buttercream in the middle of them. And then put Kirbys' face. Let's do it. Let's go.
Don't look at us.
No, we're scraping it. We're scraping it.
Stop looking at us.
They might be undercooked.
I can't fucking tell. They're just sticky.
Is that right?
I don't know! Macaroons are so fucking annoying and so fucking pretentious. Look at me, I'm French. Non-American think you can make me? I will crumble in front of you and your 3 viewers.
Wait, get your hand out of the way. Look, what?
I said to stop looking at it! I said to stop!
Kirby is just, he's having a rough day right now, but we're gonna fix him. We're gonna fucking fix him. We gotta get him together.
Someone call 911! What if we make it a ball and we stick it back in the fridge or the oven for like 3 minutes?
That's not a bad idea.
I'll preheat it. Okay, Emily, I'm gonna bust it to 400.
No, don't burn him.
Let's time.
Burn, tiny bitch,
Let's-
burn.
Last time he's gotta be in. Bada bing, bada boom.
Should we make 3 sons, 1 for each of us?
No, I want to share a son.
You what?
I want joint custody.
So you want to make one large Kirby?
I want a really big Kirby.
Okay. Let's scoop his insides. This is Kirby once he's gone through the garbage disposal.
This is like we're trying to get rid of Kirby's body. Like we killed him by accident. Like we dropped a piano or something on him. We're trying to cut. It looks like we committed a Nintendo murder. Oh, okay, so because we're gonna cook it for a little bit longer, we should cut this in half so we can just glue them back together with shit.
Yeah, you're right.
Giant macaron! Giant around the macaron. Yeah!
Wait, should we have them like almost like little mounds so they're flat? You know what I mean?
We're
shoving them in
It's
here.
gone! Okay? Like, I don't care anymore. I don't. Put it in. I don't care that it's not fully preheated. We don't actually know its temperature right now. Just put it in.
Okay, meatball baby.
Goodbye. I fucking hate you. This is fine. Pull it out. Pull it out. Pull it out. Nothing is matter. Everything's fake. I don't know who God is anymore. Pull it out.
Oh.
Yo, scoop some of it out.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot.
Babe, what the fuck?
I'm impatient. No, just compress it. Then you get extra Kirby's face.
Yeah, why don't you just push it in?
I'm sorry, are you making this, David?
Yummy. Give me the other half. Yummy! Mmm.
Wait, now he needs a little face.
He's too hot. Hot damn. He's gonna melt. He's really just a big macaroon. That's all he did. Made a big, ugly macaroon.
Ah! Freeze, my child.
Oh, he's fat.
He's Kirby.
Malleable.
Alright, do you know how to make a Kirby face?
I'm working off memory. We're not checking. We're way too through the rabbit hole for that. Where do you want the cheeks?
Whatever, wherever you feel is best.
This isn't the front. I can. This is already looking so good. Stop looking at him. It's not his fault he's ugly. It's ours.
We just made him this way.
Give him bad genes. And we're cruel gods.
He looks like the devil.
You look like the devil. Shut the fuck
Those
up.
look like eyes, and that's like his stupid fucking mouth.
What are those red dots supposed to
Those
be?
are his cheeks! Sluts.
Wait, he kind of does look like him though.
There's his legs, bitch. He's got the arms now. You can't stop him. He can vote. Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
No! Our one mistake.
Fix him.
I'm so sorry. So sorry. Fuck you. David, stop looking at me. I can sense it. I don't like it.
Behold, our son.
Fuck you!
He looks
I love our ugly son! Fuck you! He's in the honors program!
He looks like uncooked meat.
That's from my side of the family. No more cheese. Only Kirby now. I can give him better arms. Oh,
No, they're perfect. What are you doing?
We can't reject him though. That's the full plot of Frankenstein was you can't reject our creation
No, you're right.
just because they're ugly.
God, this is real.
Yeah.
What the fuck are you doing?
I'm dead inside. Can I just be really dead? So, Paul, are you excited for today's signature bakes?
I'm very excited. We have some really great bakers up and running today.
You've seen some incredible things from the kitchen over the last couple days.
Yes.
I'm excited. Is there anybody you're particularly excited to see?
I thought that extraterrestrial character
Yes.
was quite good. I'm eager to see what she's come up with for the showstopper challenge.
Me as well, Paul. Me as well. Now, bring in the dessert. Bring in the Kirby. Oh, yes. Look at that. Oh, yes.
I see.
You know, my mother made us make Kirby macaroons every day.
Is that so?
Every day for 4 hours. I gotta say, this is one of the best I've ever seen. This is beautiful work. It's the shape, the color, the fact it's barely cooked.
Yes, well, let's see how it tastes.
Yes, of course. So good. Incredible. Take a load of those eyes. Can't they just see into your soul, Paul?
Yes, quite so, Mary.
Beautiful. Did you get a bite of this, bakers? Come on, try it. It's so good. I didn't drop any on the floor. Anyone who tells you otherwise, it's tabloid.
Oh, I can't believe I actually swallowed it.
So good.
Yeah, so good, Mary.
Give him the handshake.
Yes, yes.
She's earned it. Shake her hand. Look at these beautiful dainty hands that I definitely not a Cuban boy at all.
Well,
Well, I think I know who today's star baker is, Paul. I don't know about you.
yes, I think we agree on that entirely.
Kirby, thank you so much for your service.
Thank you so much for existing.
We will see you next week on the episode cakes. Are they cooked? We'll find out.
No soggy bottoms here.
That's a good bake.
That's a good. There have to be better bakes than this.
This is a good bake, Paul.
In comparison to everything else and everything else being nothing at all,
Yes.
I
feel bad. I wanted to see if I was wrong. No, I was right the first time. David's losing his mind.
Subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be putting out videos a little bit more. If you liked this video, please leave a comment and a like.
The middle part's actually not bad. It feels like you put salt in the middle bit. Did you put salt in the middle?
No, I didn't use the salt at all.
My own sweat I'm tasting that.
Sweat and blood went into this, folks. Bella has a podcast called The Bad Book Club. I am also featured on an episode, so go check that out.
Thank you.
Link in the description below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Oh my god.